Hello, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel where we make a lot of art craft for parents and for kids. Today, we're going to do an origami Christmas tree. Let's do it! Thanks for watching. Please check other art crafts of Christmas in my playlist. And also support me by subscribing. Bye! Adios! See you soon!